had a dream about you last night. Your eyes were shining so bright. Those lips and that bittersweet smile. I need this forever. Beautiful dream.
What's up, guys? Starting today's video. Today I got a bunch of stuff planned. I gotta go get dog food. Then I gotta go to my house and get the RAV up and running again because it does have a flat tire. So I gotta jack up the RAV, then throw the spare tire on there for now. Then I'm gonna go get the, or I'm gonna go take that tire to like Discount or Earl's and see what's wrong with it. I think it's a valve stem. The tire looks good to me, like in shape wise, but I think the valve stem is leaking. So I'm gonna go see how much that costs and see if we can get that fixed and have the RAV back up and running. Yeah, I was gonna show you guys this. So I got an extended shifter. Usually it would sit around here, but I got a 4-inch raise to up here, and as you can tell from right here to my steering wheel, it's perfect. It shifts like butter. I decided to go this route instead of buying like a K-Tune or a hybrid racing because I already have a skunk tooth short shifter, and I already like, not ready, but I really like it, so I didn't want to change it up. I gotta mess with this. It's not really lined up right, but the feel of this is like super smooth. I don't feel like this is gonna break on me. This piece right here is pretty heavy compared to other eBay products. I gotta fix the shift boot. I'm probably gonna put tape right here and shove this up so it sticks, like, so it looks like that instead of like this, because that looks kind of ugly. So I'm gonna like get some tape right here, tape it up, shove this through, and hopefully it stays like that, and that looks pretty good. There's so much stuff that I want to do to this car, but I have a lot of time but little money, so yeah, I'm gonna let the car warm up and then we can get started with this vlog. Let's go get some dog food. So I just got my dog food. If you guys looking for dog food for your dogs, this is a good spot. Pet Sakes Pet Supplies. They're really good on price, and yeah, they're a pretty dope spot if you want dog food and treats and all kinds of dog stuff. So yep, I'm about to go home and try to fix the RAV. I'm gonna go get a jack from our brother's house so I can jack up the RAV, take that wheel off, and go to Discount Tire and see how much it's gonna be if they fix it. I hope I don't need to buy a new tire because I really don't have that much money for that. I just hope it's like something small, like a valve stem or something. So let's get her done. So I just got the jack, I just got the tire off, and yeah, fuck it, everything needs to be done on this car. Look at that strut, that is fucking, that's bad. That needs to be replaced. This rotor needs to be replaced. Yeah, so this tire is shot. There's a hole on the other side of it, so I gotta go to Discount Tire and see how much they would cost. I'll probably give them a call first, see how much they are and mount, then we'll continue this. But as of right now, I'm debating on using that wheel right there that's in there as a spare tire, so I'm really tempted on using that right now. This cover is already fucked up already, so I might just break it even more and just take it off. And I think it would be a lot cooler with showing off the wheel back here than having this little stupid cover on. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is take this off, so just so I don't have to spend money on buying a new tire for this. I could just use that for now, then once I get paid I'll probably buy a new tire for this in the future. But right now, let's get this fucking shitty thing off and give me some good luck. Like this video, give me some luck. Let's take this thing off because it is super hard to take off in the color from what I heard. So let's get to it. Anybody want to guess what happened to the tire cover? Man, that's probably one of the longest fucking things that took me just to get a fucking wheel on. If you guys have an SUV and you have a tire cover, just take it off. Especially in the winter, especially if your tire gets flat. Just don't have a tire cover on it. There is no point. Unless somebody's trying to finesse it, then yeah, have a tire cover. But it's the winter. And if your shit get flat, it's gonna be a bitch to take off and put your other spare tire on. So all right, time to put these on, torque it down, and put this back up there. And I should be good to go. Tire's kind of flat already because we've just been sitting in the back. I just torqued it down. I'm about to go to QT, pump it up real quick. And yeah, it should be good. Stupid ass tire. And I'm gonna get this tire back up here. And then yeah, show you guys when I'm done. So I just got done. This shit is dirty as hell. I should clean it, give it some love. This is back on there. That's tightened. I'm about to go pump it up real quick, put everything away, and yeah. And I'm gonna put my car away too also. I just got home. It's fucking 3 o'clock. I literally been working on this since like 1, kind of like noon, but glad to be home. Tire's doing pretty good still. Car looks ugly, but it's whatever. Oh shit, I don't know where I locked it, but I'll show you guys what I got. I'm gonna give a shout out to Alex for selling me the GSR transmission. He just painted it too, and I hope it's a GSR before this nigga stains me. And he actually hooked it up with a OEM fluids for it, so dope. Can't wait to get this installed too once the clutch comes in and the flywheel, and we're gonna start banging gears, guys. If you guys want me to make more stickers, let me know. Leave a like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be making more content soon, probably on this. I want to make it like an off-road car if I don't sell it. It's a really good car, and yeah, I'm fucking dirty as shit right now. Like if you look at my pants, god, this is my work pants. Fucking this is probably gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want stickers. Let me know if you guys want more merch. I got a bunch of ideas on the way. I don't know what this beeping noise is coming from, but it's really annoying. But hope you guys like the video. I'm out. Peace.